name is Grace. I will be answering a few questions concerning the 2013 Energy Saving Award. Let's have a look at the first question. Those interested in this competition should be aware that the registration deadline is by the 30th of May. We will send you the materials by 15th of June. The competition is held on the 12th to 14th of August. Remember to bring a complete model car by then. The registration fee is 300 ringgit Malaysia for each team, which consists of 3 students. The registration fee covers for the material, postage, t-shirts, food, booklets, and etc. for the competition. Each team will receive a motor and 2 solar panels. All the other parts, including the tires and the body of the car, should be prepared by yourself. Please complete your model cars before the actual date of the competition. Remember, the size of the model car must fulfill the requirements of the host. You are not allowed to do any changes during the competition. Please prepare your personal hygiene items apart from your model car for the competition. Students will be living in the classroom, where teachers will be placed in the student dorm. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our official website. We look forward to meet you during the 12th to 14th August 2013 Energy Saving Award. Bye!